You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more vocabulary from science and confusing vocabulary in English many get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Soluble, soluble, stress on the first syllable. British English is more as soluble, while American English more as soluble. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.